This is a practical demonstration of using sum and the len functions to calculate an average of numbers. And in our own case, we have a sample. The numbers are 5, 3, and 7. So we are going to use the sum and the len functions to calculate an average of 5, 3, and 7. Another name for average is mean, in case you are not used to the word average. Okay. And by theory, we know that an average of numbers is the summation of all the numbers divided by the number of all the numbers. In our own case, the number of all the numbers is 3. 5, 3, 7 are 3 numbers. And we don't need to know this actually. We use the len function to know the number of all the numbers, and the sum functions will calculate the summation of all the numbers. So let's go straight forward to the coding aspect. You write sum, call the functions, and you create a list using a pair of square brackets and putting the numbers inside, which, since the numbers are many, shall be separated using comma, as we learned in our previous lesson. So 3, okay, 7, this is our list. Okay, divide by len, creating the same list containing the same numbers. Okay, okay, so this will return the summation. This will return the summation of 5, 3, 7, and this is divided by, then the length. This will return the total number of elements in the list 5, 3, 7. So let's look at the output. The output is 5, meaning that the average of 5, 3, and 7 is 5. Thank you.